This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Wi-Fi password incorrect problem on iPhone. So if you're facing issues with your Wi-Fi password incorrect, just follow these quick steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. And the second solution is go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on this info button next to your Wi-Fi, tap on forget this network, tap on forget, and then reconnect the Wi-Fi. Give here the password again, tap on join, and the solution will fix your problem. And if you're still facing the same problem, then follow the last solution. Go to settings and tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. Once done, go to your Wi-Fi again and reconnect the Wi-Fi, and hope the solution will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.